Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow each other. This is Ngobo 23 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Gallants 1. My brother, how's it?
Hey, I'm good, Mr. Ngobo. How are you?
Good, man. What's your take on the game today?
No, I've got nothing to lose today.
Yeah.
I'm not fighting for anything here. I was here to watch a beautiful football. But I can tell you that Mamelodi Sundowns, they've respected Marumo Gallants today. But at the end of the day, it's a win. They've collected 3 points. Like I said, there's no need to hold umbrella. You must take that PSL umbrella and throw it away because of Kasongo is running now. Marathon, there's no other way you can run while holding umbrella.
Exactly.
Tabele umbrella Fedilo, Orlando Pirates, they gave it to Mamelodi Sundowns. Believe me, once Mamelodi Sundowns reach 50 point, just forget about Betway Premiership. I mean, these guys, they are going to win this Betway Premiership for the 9 times. Relevant Chiefs, the Pirates. Yoritana Kwekanankanang who break out that record. Mamelodi Sundowns, 9 times in a row.
Never, yeah.
Nightmare.
Never.
Nightmare. Because Rabadumella Horeba win didn't. But anyway, congratulations. I think Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, they all coach Cardoso an apology. I mean, this guy, America, who collect a maximum point game by game. This month, it's not easy to play 9 games in 1 month.
Exactly.
I mean, Timothy and PSL, they are not playing those games, so much games in 1 month. These guys, they played 9 games in 1 month. And about winning a game, it's 8. I mean, it's an incredible work that have been done. So, compared to Kibolela Leka game, Moyona Cave. So, they've won 15 games since starting off Betway Premiership. But Baluzita only 1 game. Draw 5 games, 50 points above. 26 goal on top. So I mean, it's an incredible work that have been done so far. And I remember when I told you that by the time they were criticizing that Coach Cardoso must leave, I said to you, what if you are taking that things? What if this guy is going to win you this Betway Premiership?
Even Kev.
I said he's going back. I said I saw him going back to semi-final. Kev. But ke chabilor o tlo fitha final, but semi-final because of ke lebeletse ntho ya tlang ka yona, because I said he's not a coach of, he's a coach of results. Always he give you result. Shaba sapo ya hae e rileng today. I ask myself where steps some Rembola, but immediately obethile brace today. Like Ketoma Mona scored 2 goals mo gaming e 1 times. I mean, he have done very well today. But Kerorele we won shot ele ya 3rd goal.
Last goal, yeah.
Ke kreile kholo ko ntlomba TV a isa bereka speaker. Immediately. But anyway, it's a game of football about for it. I mean, these guys, they are excelling very well, and believe me, like I said, Orlando Pirates are losing this thing, and Orlando Pirates lose these things because of the supporters. There's no other way. Each and every team is under pressure. The player is under pressure. It's a 3rd game now. Orlando Pirates go stadium the player and believe me, they're going to make mistakes because of pressure the last minute. Because Baba Norba pants to pants Mamelodi Sundowns. They are playing under pressure. Then you want to boo them when they do mistake. Instead of uplifting spirit sabafana bale ke bana ba banyane le ba fe that momentum le confidence, then Orlando Pirates, believe me, even this coming game is going to draw. Your draw your Pirates this coming game because of attitude ya defense. The only way that can keep Orlando Pirates consistency ke he defense tsa Pirates di thomo behave. They are not behaving in the stadium. And that thing you frustrates when you are in the pitch, then about immediately about pass a ball, you lose your mind. Teammate how football is not a game of one man. Individual. We work as a team. We win as a team. You'll never get result because of Saleng or Ma, but because of
teamwork.
Already pass it and like that man always a high ball. Already Ukonobana class abule munyako moyo. I mean that guy always when creativity, energy, structure, discipline, timing moyen. One Matthews always run the ball. And I used to say let us not compare the player. Because Saleng le Matthews, they'll never be the same role. Abadlala into one. But believe me, Saleng will better skill, Iran, abula the space. Always have a matter, the opposition, the loser. Concentration, babula box, baberekisa spaces. Level the ball at Sundown to today, never did Dala between the opponent because Baira, baberekisa the spaces. And the Baitalo on a moment.
Yeah.
It's incredible things. One. But at the end of the day, it's a game of football. Hotokala the result. Congratulations for Mamelodi Sundowns today.
Congratulations
for winning 2025-2026 Betway Premiership. Last message to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, but divided the final. Because of those things here, the branch.
Oh, okay.
They recognize branches.
Is it?
And the Kaizer Chiefs in a lady millions of fans. Tell Lauren Abayi Stadium. Babamba Lebelako TV. They love this football more than us who go to and attend those games. But I will say to them, Junior Mutaung, Jessica, Bobby, Kemiso, or whoever they come, they are not going to stop us to support this football club. We are going to support this club, Kankan. And they were going stadium, Kankan. Believe me, we are not going to promote these things here. Violence, go stadium. Defenders they must stop to do that. I saw this game here, defending this day. They are still promoting that thing that they are not going to attend that stadium. For those people to change their mind and start to recognize us, it's for you to go and support this football club. We were born to support this football club. We are not going to stop supporting Kaizer Chiefs because of branch or not branch. I'm talking this on behalf of defenders Adina membership. Abana the branch, but they support this football club. Traveling, buying tickets, doing stuff. But today you will tell them that Hebaba frustrated, Banyaka the result. They are not getting result. They've got right to get frustration. And there was no, those guys they end in memorandum. Abasinya Silo, Ababetamut, Leko Stadium no Senantwa. There was no need to say we don't recognize you. Branch. That's a poor response. We are saying to them they have to apologize to the fans.
Fair enough.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.